Kamusta kayong lahat? It's me, Jeanette, and welcome to Jeanette Vlogs. So, today's video, ang aking gagawin ay magluluto ako. Ito, simulan na natin ang ating pagluluto. Ang aking lulutuin pala ay mag-iimbento ako ng ulam. Ang naisip ko ay with steak. So, here are all the ingredients. We have sliced squid, we have minced garlic, lime, onion rings and onion mince. We have also olive oil, soy sauce, and pamintang durog. Let's start marinate the pusits or the squid. By the ingredients, so put the garlic, the mince, onion, put lime, garlic, marinate natin siya ng water. So now we're going to saute the onion ring. Put oil, olive oil. Saute the onion ring. And set aside. Marinated squid. And then cover it. We're going to wait until sticky. Hintayin natin lumapot yung ano niya, yung sauce niya. So, takpan muna natin ulit. Sauce is already sticky. So, we're almost done. So, this is it. Going to add the onion rings. So, okay. The yummy squid steak. We're done. So, I transferred to a bowl. So, this is it. A squid steak. So, that's it for today's video. So, sana nagustuhan nyo ang aking videos. So, magkita-kitis ulit tayo next time. Bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button para updated po kayo every time na mag-update ako ng aking videos or mag-upload ako ng aking videos. So, I hope magkita-kita ulit po tayo sa aking next video and thank you, God bless, and bye!